Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, unveiling Virupaksha ESA radar for Su-30 MKI. In discussion at Aero India 2025, DRDO officials have confirmed that the design phase for the Virupaksha active electronically scanned array, that is ESA radar, for the Su-30 MKI fighter jet has now been completed. The program is moving forward, with the next step being the commencement of subsystem realization. Once this phase is complete, the prototype of the radar will be manufactured and testing will follow, initially starting with ground level tests before progressing to in-flight trials. The Virupaksha ESA radar, designed specifically for the Su-30 MKI, represents a significant technological leap for India's fighter jet radar system. One of the most exciting features of the radar is its use of gallium nitride-based transmit-receive modules. Gallium nitride technology is known for its superior efficiency, power handling, and thermal performance, making it an ideal choice for advanced radar systems. Next, unveiling Sheshnag 150 swarming systems. At Aero India 2025, Bangalore-based New Space Research and Technologies Private Limited has unveiled its innovative Sheshnag swarming system, which have garnered significant attention for their advanced capabilities in autonomous and semi-autonomous warfare. The company showcased 4 different models of the Sheshnag, with the standout being the Sheshnag 150, a long-range collaborative attack swarm system that promises to redefine modern combat strategies. The Sheshnag series represents a cutting-edge approach to swarming warfare, where a group of small, agile, and highly autonomous systems work together to achieve complex, high-impact missions. Sheshnag 150 in particular is described by the company as a long-range collaborative attack swarm designed to deliver devastating results by overwhelming enemy defenses. Next, unveiling Vidhwans guided rocket at Aero India 2025. At Aero India 2025, Hyderabad-based VEM Technologies Private Limited showcased its innovative Vidhwans guided rocket, which promises to revolutionize precision strike capabilities for the Indian Army. The Vidhwans, a guided rocket system, has been designed to target key enemy infrastructure with a remarkable range of 250 km, providing the ability to neutralize critical military assets deep within enemy territory. The Vidhwans is particularly designed for targeting land-based infrastructure such as bunkers, radar installations, air hangars, and runway denial. This makes it an effective tool for both offensive and defensive operations, especially in disrupting enemy logistics and air operations. By providing a precise strike capability at 250 km, Vidhwans can deliver devastating results against critical infrastructure deep within adversary territory, while minimizing the risk of friendly forces. Next, unveiling CATS Warrior Loyal Wingman. At Aero India 2025, HAL showcased its groundbreaking CATS Warrior Loyal Wingman, a cutting-edge unmanned aerial system designed to work in tandem with manned aircraft to deep strike missions. With notable advancement in both size and capabilities, the CATS Warrior represents a significant leap in India's defense technology, providing a versatile solution for modern aerial combat and mission planning. One of the most significant updates to the Warrior design is its increased maximum takeoff weight, that is MTOW in short, which now exceeds 2 tons, substantially higher than the previous MTOW of around 1300 kg. This increase in weight allows the Warrior to carry more substantial payloads, enhancing its operational capabilities and mission flexibility. Next, demonstrating 4 Tejas Mk1A jets at Aero India. At the ongoing Aero India 2025, the light combat aircraft Mk1A made a spectacular appearance, showcasing its advanced capabilities and potential for the Indian Air Force. The event saw 4 LCA Mk1A aircraft fly in a stunning finger 4 formation, aptly named as Yodha formation, drawing gasps of awe from the crowd. This captivating aerial display was a highlight of the program, as the second prototype of the LCA Mk1A took to the skies, leaving a lasting impression on all those present, including the esteemed Raksha Mantri. The LCA Mk1A Alpha is a major leap forward in India's defense aviation, representing an upgraded and more capable version of the aircraft. It incorporates a new suite of advanced sensors, a cutting-edge mission and digital flight control system, and a variety of enhanced weapon systems. These include the integration of the Astra Beyond Visual Range missile as well as precision-guided munitions, all contributing to the aircraft's heightened combat effectiveness. Next, HJT-36 renamed Yashas at Aero India 2025. HAL revealed that Hindustan Jet Trainer, that is HJT-36, a critical aircraft in the Indian Air Force's training fleet, has undergone extensive modifications and has now been officially renamed Yashas. The new name was unveiled by Shri Sanjeev Kumar, Secretary, Department of Defence Production, in the presence of Dr. D.K. Sunil, Chairman and Managing Director of HAL, and other senior officials. The HJT-36, originally designed as an intermediate trainer aircraft, has undergone significant changes aimed at enhancing its departure characteristics and spin resistance across the entire flight envelope. These improvements were made after comprehensive testing, ensuring the aircraft's enhanced safety, performance, and suitability as a training platform for the future military pilots. Next, China asked Bangladesh to include Arunachal Pradesh in China in their textbooks. In a recent development, China has raised concerns regarding the depiction of territorial boundaries in 2 Bangladeshi textbooks and a map of Asia displayed on the website of the Department of Survey. According to Beijing, the depiction of Arunachal Pradesh and Aksai Chin as part of India in the materials constitute a factual discrepancies, with China asserting that both regions are historically part of Chinese territory. Next, Army to procure LBRM. Thales and Bharat Dynamics have inked a pact for the initial supply of laser beam riding man portable air defense system, that is LBRM, in response to a requirement from India to back the air defense capabilities. This initial supply of high velocity missiles, Streak, and launchers will be delivered this year and represents the first time that India has received the latest Vaishorod capability. Thank you.